Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a sparkle video effect to your clip in CapCut PC. So first you can select your videos you like to edit, just add to the track, and you are just going to select effect, just click effect and select start video effect, and just looking for this sparkle here, but this is pro effect. You have to join purpose to be able to use this effect. So you download it and just add to the track and just for the duration the sunlight and change for option right here. And you can see for the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much.